Okay, we're talking about John Deere cast wheels today. 10 boat, quote, heavy duty 10 boat. But what we're seeing is that the 10 boat heavy duty is actually cracking, and we're selling a ton of them. We're running out of stock, so doing a little R&D work. Unless you're a customer that actually uses this boat, that probably hasn't been used since it left the factory, we've got an upgrade option. A lot of times these are cracking in this area. In fact, this one here may be cracked. So, looking at that 10 boat, what we've done, I'm going to take you down here and show you an upgrade that we just did. Just did a little test on it, make sure it worked. Is a 12 boat. Now when you go to a 12 boat, 12 boats are standard on all 9Rs, and they probably standard on like the high horsepower 8s, but it doesn't have that little area for the boat. So again, if you're that guy that really has to have that, this upgrade doesn't work for you. The way we keep them is we keep the wedges with them. We keep the boats with them. In fact, how this worked, we actually sold a set to a guy that wanted to change out his fat tires to his skinny tires to side dress some corn. So he wanted an extra set so he didn't have to change everything off. So that's an idea if that's something that you do. So the 12 boat heavy is an upgrade. All we need to know is what axle size you have. No matter what tractor, I mean, they may quit at the 100 millimeter. I'd have to check that. But as long as the wedges are there, for sure the 120 and 110s, then basically we can do a conversion on any of those. So 10 boat cracks, 12 boat doesn't. 12 boat doesn't have the little adjuster. If we can help you out, let us know.